paint a square, but now he's struggling. But just a little bit.
Why, oh, why can't I do it? Everyone in my family has always been known for their ability to draw perfect squares. One day, I'll be able to do it. One day, I'll be able to draw one.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system through broadcast stations in the greater Portland, Vancouver area, including Clackamas, Columbia, Multnomah, and Washington counties in Oregon, and Clark County in Washington. With the cooperation of public safety, broadcasters, and cable operators, this system informs you of events that pose an immediate threat to your life, health, or property. If this had been an actual emergency, official information would have followed the alert tone. This test was originated by Clark Regional Emergency Services Agency in Vancouver, Washington. This concludes this test message.
Mr. Clem, I can take pictures of you in the class. Then I can post them to the neighborhood newsletter. Is it okay if I do that?
Oh, yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Great! All we need is a picture of Mr. E painting and having fun. If he looks like he's having fun, everyone will want to take the class.
Okay, Mr. E, get ready.
How's this?
Smile, Mr. E. You look like you're having fun if you smile.